Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to add social links to your Reddit profile, you've come to the right place. So adding social links to your Reddit profile is quite simple. All you need to do is just go to your Reddit, click on your account icon in the top right corner, and here you need to click on profile, and you can edit your profile, and a little bit down below you can see add social links. So just simply click on it, and you have different options like SoundCloud, Spotify, Instagram, Discord. So just simply click on Instagram, write your username, and that's all. Your social links will be added. If there is no social link that Reddit offers you, you just simply need to click on custom. Here you can add a name of your social link and add a link for your social media. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.